Hello everybody, my name is Del C. Arnold and I'm the CEO and founder of Asfaleia Designs. Today we're going to be reviewing our CCW laptop bag. So as you can see, ours is a very fashionable high-end designer laptop bag. That was the problem that we were trying to solve in this industry. And so basically this is a full grain genuine leather bag. It's got custom anchors, charms, and Asfaleia logo on there. Very high fashion design on the back. We do have slash-proof shoulder straps that are here, which is a very good safety feature. And then also, what really makes it shine is their CCW pocket that we have here. It's very quick to access. I believe it's one of the fastest on the market. I don't think there's anything, any CCW bag out there today that would be faster than this right here. And basically all you have to do is go inside, pull out just like that, and you're ready to do business, right? So it's one of the fastest on the market, and I would say it's just as fast as if you carried it on a holster. So that's probably one of the best, neatest features that this bag has. So on the inside, we also have something that separates us from everybody else. We have what we call the Ballistic armor plate carrier pocket. This is a patent pending design. So as you can see right there, you can see the Ballistic armor plate that's inside. All right, all you have to do is kind of lock that in just like that. And then the plate is secure inside. We have a cell phone pocket. We have pin carriers, credit card, custom lining with the Asfaleia logo. And then on the other side, we have a laptop pocket right here for your laptop. And also additional pockets on the bottom. Basically, this is going to be ready to go on December 10th. We're doing a crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo. And it starts December 10th. We're offering 20% off right now when you come sign up with your email. Also, please like and share us on Facebook. And then visit our website at www.asfaleia-designs.com, and that's Asfaleia designs.com. Thank you so much for watching.